Hi friends, welcome to my course on lean problem solving for team members and team leaders. The thesis of this course is that continuous improvement comes from everyone. Every team member, every team leader working on continuously improving our performance by solving problems. And problems are not just the obvious, the machine broke down. That's of course a problem. But a problem is also the gap between where we are and where we could be. It's the job of leaders to establish a challenge, a vision of where we want to be, and it's the job of everyone to work on creating baby steps, if you will, going up that mountain of continuous improvement. And there's always a gap. There's a gap in our personal life in terms of where we are now and where we'd like to be, right? How smart we are and how smart we'd like to be. How rich we are and how rich we'd like to be. Somehow there's always that gap, right? Well, problem solving is the continuous effort to close that gap. That's what this course is about. I have been helping organizations improve since 1973, actually before that in prisons, but we won't go into that now. I'll talk about it later. But I've worked with Honda and Toyota and Shell Oil and Merck and Corning and lots of fantastic companies, all trying to create a culture of teamwork and a culture of continuous improvement. This course is a result of 40 years of trying to develop teams to work on self-improvement as a team, to work on problem solving as a team. It's for everybody. It's for every team member in your organization. Nothing in here is rocket science. It's all sort of easy to do once you get it. So this course is about getting it. It's about getting continuous improvement. And as we go through the course, I'll give you some practical practices that you can do, as well as go through all the basics of lean problem solving, root cause analysis, the PDCA, plan, do, check, act model, A3 model. I'm going to teach brainstorming. I'm also going to teach solving human performance problems, which is sometimes left out of the problem solving process, but it's critical. So that's what we're going to do. I think you'll enjoy it. We'll have fun. Get on board. Let's go.